Mr. Thomas, how's it going over here?
Hey man, I love this class messing with bones and stuff. I think I could really get into dead bodies one day.
And I'm glad you like it, but you really need to adhere to the safety policy of the lab. You need to have your safety glasses on and your gloves. What's going on?
I mean, it's just dealing with bones and stuff here.
Oh, here we go. All right, here we administer the policy of the safety shower. We're going to walk over to the safety shower. Within 15 seconds, we're going to administer a one sweep motion. So put your eyes in the water and adhere to the 15-minute policy. I'm going to call 911. Hello, 911. Yes, UPD dispatch, we've got a situation in Simple Science, Lab 117. We've got a gentleman that is exposure to the eye safety shower. He's got chemicals in his eyes. What you've seen today is a very serious situation. It could happen in any of our labs. Not wearing appropriate PPE can cause safety hazards and even take lives. It would be appropriate to wear your PPE and adhere to the policy of safety shower and eye wash stations. Stay with us. Texas State Safety Office.